We live in a world that changes at frenetic pace. Our education system must equip our children with the skills and values they need to thrive in the 21st century. These are the terms of reference for the education reforms that are currently in progress. Our goal is to create an education system that is responsive to the needs of our children, matches requirements of the market, and prepares them for the challenges and opportunities of the future. We will do what it takes to achieve this goal. We are investing in new technologies, developing new curricula, and improving teacher training to ensure that our children receive world-class education. We must empower our children to think critically, solve problems, and communicate effectively. The young man who did a poem for us is signature of effective communication. I must state that our education reforms are aimed at cultivating many values that our society considers dear. Under the competence-based curriculum, we are committed to fostering an environment where students can explore their passions, think critically, and collaborate effectively. We also encourage scientific inquiry, innovation, and a love for learning. I am very pleased that we've come here to do something about sciences. That is the space that we need to up our game. I know it's easy for students to say, I do not like sciences, but I want to encourage all of us. Those who are good at sciences, don't drop the ball. Those who are good in arts, you have an opportunity. Those who are good in other pathways, you will have the chance, because we want a wholesome society. We must not forget that education is a shared responsibility, a partnership of sorts between parents, teachers, and the community. I am delighted to hear that parents have committed to have also already raised, I'm told, 25 million towards the science complex. This is the spirit, and this is the way. Congratulations, our parents. And because you have demonstrated the partnership,